some news that we've got. To be honest, this is the cleanest set we've ever done. Yep, except the place where we overdone it. Yep, But before we get off topic, welcome to the new series called... Okay, how you do it? Main characters do dares. Yes, this ain't exactly the main characters. This will be just the local characters. Jeremy won't be with us, but... by the way, sometimes if you don't hear, regular old Clario's voice, it's for those two. It's because Michaela or Jed or both at the same time are helping me film this and doing the dares with me. We will not be using this very table to do the dares. We will be using another table to do the dares. And we will only be choosing 3 dares since I have, amount of YouTubers. I could do any types of dares you want. Yeah, even, because I'm just, don't make it do to that guy. True. Just, yeah, doesn't do anything. Because, close enough when we were younger. Yep. So, yeah, do dares down below, and once I get enough dares, we will be doing the first episode of Main Characters Do Dares. But don't forget, all you have to do is type in the names. The names will be in the description down below. And, or I will just say in, the title, look at the names down below. So, how to spell them, so I don't get mixed up. So it's Michaela, it's Clario, it's Chris, and it's Jed. I hear that. I don't know if you guys heard it though, but we'll see you guys at the first episode of Main Characters Do Dares Season 1. Season 2 will come out after we do 10 episodes of the first season. So, goodbye. Bye, y'all. Bye.